Ready to rumble? Let's pit Pika Labs against RunwayML in a head-to-head AI video generation showdown. First, we'll feed both AI platforms the exact same prompt. In Pika Labs, simply type your desired scene description directly into the prompt box. Aim for clarity and detail to guide the AI. We're starting with a cat riding a skateboard because ... why not? Pika Labs will then generate a short video based on your prompt. The generation time varies depending on the complexity, but it's typically quite fast. Let's see the result. Check out the cute kitty shredding some pavement. Now, let's head over to RunwayML and their Gen 2 model. We'll paste that identical prompt into their text-to-video generation tool. Consistency is key for a fair comparison. RunwayML has its own distinct visual style during generation. Again, waiting time can fluctuate. And there you have it. Let's see both clips side by side. Notice the differences in style, animation quality, and how each AI interpreted the prompt. Which one do you think did a better job? Let us know in the comments. Both platforms offer unique strengths. Experiment with different prompts and settings to discover which best suits your creative vision. Don't forget to subscribe for future AI face-offs.